Hi there, my name is Dasha and I'm a designer at PGK. Here's a kitchen I designed some time ago and let me talk you through that. So one of the important things in the beginning of the process would be the brief from the client. This specific kitchen was meant to be a dark kitchen with some light features like worktop, maybe a bit of art as well, but that's something the client would do on their own. So we end up going for dark brown wood with some nice black handle profiles, and on the island we have copper doors that also work very lovely with the wood, but gives a bit of a contrast to it. One of the big things was also lighting. Client wanted to have as much light as possible, so we've got some in the wall units inside and outside. We've got some in the pantry as well, it's a sensor lights, when you open it goes on. There's also some in the pocket doors. Quite a cool thing about this kitchen, which probably would be something you would want to do in your space as well, is to have dedicated areas. You would have a cleaning zone. What makes it a cleaning zone? You would have a sink, you would have a dishwasher and a bit of that aside, so when you want to clean your plate, it's quite easy movement. Because we have lots of wood in here, and again we wanted to break it out a bit. We put some of those glass units that will feature the glassware and stuff, just to make it look a little bit more special. On this side you will have a cooking zone, so the client wanted to have gas and induction together. You can sometimes get just a proper big hob that has both options, but they wanted to have more space, so we went for a normal 5 gas burner and sort of like a domino hob from Neff for the induction. Another feature would be this extractor. We wanted to bring something special, something large into space, to kind of dominant as well, and this extractor was a really good fit. It's pretty strong, so the air is pretty clean when you cook, and even more like stronger smell food. It also has some lighting in there that also just helps you to see what you're doing. And the cool thing about this island as well, that it's pretty big, it's 3 meters. People can also sit in there, the whole family can gather while they're cooking and talking, which is a very nice kind of a family moment. And this area was meant to be just tall units with lots of storage, so we have fridge, freezer, we've got 2 steam ovens on the eye level. This client uses a lot of steam cooking, so that was a very important feature for them. We also got some pocket door system in here, which is quite useful as well. You can have some extra worktop, you can have, it can be a coffee station, it can be an extra cooking area. In this specific kitchen we have some air fryer, toaster in here, and lots of different parts, like bits and pieces that they would use for probably breakfast, I would say. Some drawers on the bottom as well with some extra snacks. We all like our snacks. And yeah, but then you can just close it and still give it the look of a tall section without any interruption. So this kitchen, I would say, is a very good example of how you can make a modern, seamless and clean design, but still have all the features that you need with all the storage, and just have it as a beautiful part of your house. I would say a heart of your house. Yes, look, if you would like to have a kitchen as beautiful as this one, please let us know and I will be happy to help you.